Hi everyone, welcome to Computer Science 1. I'm Jim Allard, and this is the lecture hall. We are scheduled to be in here. Jim 200. And of course, in compliance with university regulations, I'm going to be wearing my mask. And so will you. There's also a university policy regarding vaccinations, and you'll need to make sure that you're compliant with that as well. This semester could be a long semester and not the safest semester with 200 students in this lecture hall. And with me having a mask on and you having a mask on the whole time, it gets a little bit tedious. So, leave your mask on. We're going to be instead be doing the large lectures in a remote format, and I will be putting those a Zoom link to those on Canvas. We can Zoom on at lecture time, 2 o'clock on those days, and at that time, I think you'll have a much better experience than what we would get here. So I'll refer to you to the syllabus for more information on that. And there are other videos there as well that kind of describe the course and how it's going to go. And so for now, welcome to Computer Science 1, but we won't be meeting here right away, at least not till everybody gets vaccinated. And hopefully, when we don't have to all be wearing masks for everything we do. And yeah, so be online. If you have questions, whatever, let me know, send me an email. Otherwise, please check out the other links to videos and things that are on this Canvas site. And speaking of Canvas, I'm going to go there now. This is what your Canvas page looks like for Computer Science 1. And you should probably check out the first couple of links here. The welcome drop-down menu here is a couple of web pages that describe the course and how it works and what's going to happen. Nice little welcome video here that explains more than I have today. Little meet your TAs thing where you can get to know each of the teaching assistants, the graduate students who are working with me on this course. You will interact a lot with them over the course of the semester, and so you should get to know them. There's a little video for each of them here. And at the bottom of every one of these pages is a next button. You can click that to go to the next one. If you have questions about the course, you can ask them there. Or you can email me. I'm glad to do that. That's the first little module. For the first week of the course, Module 1, you'll get all the details about what you need to do as we go through this first really important week. I'm going to cover the basics of computer science. You see that in Module 1A. I'm going to talk about how it is that you actually program here at UMD. So we'll be learning how to log on to the Linux mainframe computer and create C++ programs and run them. And I'll talk about C++ statements. Each of these modules takes you through what you need to know for the first week before you start your first programming project, which is under that link there at the bottom. So very important. You might want to do these right now just to look ahead and see what's coming. Under the first link here for Module 1, I will put each of the class remote sessions. I'll do a video capture on those, and I'll put them here after lecture so that every day you can go and see, review that lecture again and see what happened and what we did and so on. You can see the topics I'm going to be speaking about, and if I use code and develop programs, usually I will put the code down here so you can see it and have a chance to make sure you understand it. So there's a lot going on. I'm going back to the home link here. Okay. A lot going on. There are many modules, one for every week of the semester. So the whole course is laid out pretty well. And the gradebook, of course, is here. Zoom links, if you want to find a Zoom link, like the link for the first lecture and all lectures, remember we're not going to meet in Chem 200, then you click on the Zoom deal here and up will come a list of all those links for the semester, and you can join the meetings as they come up. So there we go. That's kind of the lay of the land. More details to come as I talk about the syllabus, and we'll probably do that during our first online lecture. How do you get to that first online lecture? Go to the Zoom thing here, and all the links are there. So, very good. Good luck. I hope to see you next week. We start on Monday, and remember, we will not be in person. We will be remote, but that's great. It allows us to do some cool things that we otherwise couldn't do communicating online. Thank you, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.